Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today's video is a special one. In this I'm going to show you 2-minute breakfast recipes. Don't worry, it is not Maggi noodles. These recipes are very easy to cook, which makes mom happy, and obviously these are kids favorite, so they'll also be happy. So without any delay, shall we get into the video now? First I'm going to show you a very easy, simple and quick sandwich only with the items available at home. All we need is onion. I've cut them into rings. Then I've taken some cucumber, tomatoes, and this is veg mayonnaise. I'm just using the store-bought one. And here I've taken this cheesy garlic bread mix, which goes very well. Otherwise you can use oregano, you can use crushed pepper also, or any herbs. And this is white cheese. So this is how I keep my butter. I just cut them into pieces and store in the refrigerator. I've taken some cheese cube pieces. Then this is tomato sauce and bread. First I'll preheat my griller. In the meantime I'll just get ready with this. First I'm applying mayonnaise here. If you don't have mayonnaise, you can use green chutney if you have at home. If you want the link of green chutney, I'll just give it here. It is already in our channel. Once this is done, I'm using cucumber, onion and tomatoes. If you want, you can even use carrots here. Then I'm using this garlic cheese spread. It gives a different taste to your sandwich. For the other slice, I'm using tomato sauce here. If you don't want this, you can use chili sauce or simply butter. Even using simple butter will give you a different taste. So here I'm grating some cheese. Kids love to have this. Also I'm using some cheese spread here. These are optional if you don't want, and if you are in a diet you can avoid this. But since I have done this specially for kids, I think it's okay for them. I'm just covering it now. On top of it I'm applying some butter. And here we go, our griller is ready to go. So till this gets cooked, I'll show you how to do it on tawa also. I've taken a non-stick pan here, applying little butter, and rest of the process goes the same. I'm using the same mayonnaise here, cucumber, and then I'm using the same garlic spread. I've not used any special items apart from this. All these are always available either for pizza or sandwich. If you don't have any of this, you can just reduce and use the one which you have. So same process goes. Easy to quick. You can use this in breakfast or even for kids snacks. So this is done here. This is how our veg grilled sandwich looks. Wow, that looks yummy. So I'm serving it with tomato sauce here. Lovely. Now this is also done almost. I've just flipped it and checked it again. So now our tawa sandwich is also ready. This is the cheese coming out here. This looks really yummy. Both tasted very well. You just give it a try and please let me know. The next one which I'm going to show is cornflake cereal. Anytime food for hunger in my home. For that I've taken a cup of cornflakes. I'm here using Kellogg's cornflakes. You can use Baggeries, Lawrence or Mohan's. And some cashews. Then I'm taking kismis or dry grapes. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. If you want, you can reduce sugar or even eat it without sugar, because cornflakes already has sweet in it. And a cup of hot milk. You can even use cold milk, but hot milk goes. And of course a bowl to mix all this. First I'm taking cornflakes. When you give this cornflakes, make sure they are not so heavy for kids. Some brand will be very thick. Make sure they are light so that kids can eat it happily. And to it I'm adding hot milk. Give it a mix. And the real taste comes when you add all these dry fruits. You can even use pista, walnuts also. That is as per your taste. Or if you want, you can even use fresh fruits here, but I love to have it this way. That's all. Your simple breakfast, very quick, easy. I think these two breakfasts will be of great help to you when you have not planned your breakfast earlier, or if you have to give breakfast in a hurry. Hope this video would have been of some use to you. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do subscribe. Till we meet next time in a different one, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye bye.